Hello, everyone. While we're in the process of evaluating where and how GPT-5 will fit into AMP, we want you to try it with us. So we created two ways to do that. First, with the editor of your choice. So VS Code, Cursor, Windsurf, whatever's VS Code compatible. What you'll do is you'll hit Command-Shift-P if you're on a Mac, and you'll look for Preferences, Open User Settings, JSON. And then from there, what you want to do is you want to add an entry with the AMP prefix. And that is amp.gpt5 true. So we'll save that. And now anytime you put a prompt into AMP in VS Code or Cursor or whatever, that will now use the GPT-5 model. Okay, that's great, but let's look at the command line. We have to make sure we have the latest version of AMP, so we'll run AMP update. Cool. Now that we have the latest one, we'll run AMP by going AMP --try GPT-5. And you'll know it's running correctly when you see this color orb. The other orb without the try GPT-5 flag is green. So this is telling you that you are running it correctly. Also note that this is a limited time flag. This will disappear in the future. All right, that's all we have for this video. Talk to you soon. Bye.